Hi, Vieira with Stock Market Live.tv. Today we have here new all-time highs in shares of Tesla, $354. We warned you as a subscriber that, in our opinion, Tesla was going to trade above $350. Therefore, you had plenty of time to assume positions in Tesla buying on weakness. We also referred to the stock pivots that they were important to hold and therefore buying on weakness. 2 days ago you had shares at $334.70. We were buying more shares of Tesla. Today you have 354. Ahead of earnings, I told you here that the recommendation was to sell entirely the position at $326 an half. Shares they plunged to $290, and we told you that while pre-vote would hold, that Tesla would remain a strong buy rating. Therefore, as of today, you have new all-time highs well above the previous price, $326 an half. Congratulations to everyone. I believe that this represents not only ludicrous profit, as well as far beyond your own expectations, despite the fact that we warned you daily with regards to this matter. Having said this, this price $354, I'm 100% satisfied, despite the fact that Wall Street, some analysts, for example, this morning pre-market, they raised the targets in Tesla to $430. If you wish to remain long the stock, it is up to you. But as I said before, that is not our concern or objective, and therefore, as of today, we do not have a long position in Tesla going forward. Okay, so this has not been a matter of discussing here where the top or the bottom in Tesla is. The important was to inform you with regards to investment process in Tesla, including also day trading and short-term trading, in order to minimize your risk. For example, this morning we bought more shares as the open bell at a price of $344.70. There was a gap to the downside. And right now you have $354 plus. So quite frankly, every single day, buying on weakness, you could get at least $10 per share in Tesla. So I repeat that going forward, we no longer have a position in Tesla. We recommend to sell entirely the position. But the fact is that the momentum on shares is so high that obviously it will be very complicated to predict exactly where the top will be. Therefore, if you wish to maintain a long position, a percentage of it going forward, it is just a question of you raising your trailing stops and to follow the instructions that were given to you. Okay, so we did all the job, all the work for you, inform you in advance where to allocate the trailing stops, and that information or piece of information, it was critical, helping you to maximize your return on investment in this company, Tesla. With regards to the overall market, I already addressed it here. I don't have any further comments. Today you have new all-time highs in shares of NVIDIA, that is basically approaching $150. I repeat that in my opinion, and demonstrated obviously live on the tape, that NVIDIA it was far less risky compared to the case of Tesla. So just for your reference, you have here NVIDIA at $149.22, and therefore our recommendation was to quadruple the size of the investment in NVIDIA. If you didn't profit from Tesla, I don't think that was a major, quite frankly, concern, but you had to be invested heavily in NVIDIA. Okay, since the company reported earnings, shares they were trading, I remind you, at $100.50, and you had me on Twitter in the writing articles, buy at any price. So you had plenty of time also to make your entire year investing in NVIDIA, a company that we upgraded when no one believed in, at a price of $12.65 to strong buy, betting that one day Nvidia, obviously meanwhile the business model of this company changed, would become a Class A company, and that has been precisely the case. Also referring to the fact that other investors, they made huge mistakes, even professionals, by quitting investment position in Nvidia. Okay, so also regarding Nvidia, I recommend that you raise your throwing stops. I don't have any further comments. I'm very pleased with the results obtained, and quite frankly, there is nothing else to be done other than to control the portfolio and things that they have been accomplished, and that's it. And there has never been here a concern or objective how much shares are going to gain, or where the top is going to be, or the bottoms, and so on. But you have clear guidelines with regards to all these companies, including the upside, our own upside in Nvidia, for the next earnings, and so on. So you have the entirely your instructions for the rest of the year 2017. Okay, thank you, and goodbye.